Hello, my name is Ron, and I am going to show you some cards from our website www.speakeasyxhosa.co.za, and these particular cards deal with meeting someone for the first time. Ukudibana nomntu. So we ask you the question, how do you greet a male your age or younger? Molo booty. Molo booty, and I want you to try and repeat that. How do we greet a young female your age or younger? We say Molo sisi. Molo sisi. Try it. How do we greet an older male? We say Molo tata. Molo tata. Your turn. How do we greet an older female? We say Molo mama. Molo mama. Try it. How do we formally greet a gentleman? We say Molo mnumzana. Molo mnumzana. Try it. How do we formally greet a lady? We say Molo nkosikazi. Molo nkosikazi. Your turn. Greeting more than one person, how do we say hello to a group? Molweni nonke. Molweni nonke. Try it. How do we say hello to a group of gentlemen? Molweni manene. Molweni manene. Your turn. Saying hello to a group of ladies. Molweni manenekazi. Molweni manenekazi. Your turn. Saying hello to a group of ladies and gentlemen. Molweni manene namanenekazi. Molweni manene namanenekazi. Asking a person, how is life treating you? Kunjani. Kunjani. Try it. More specifically, asking a person, how are you? Unjani. Unjani. Try it. Asking, or rather stating, I am fine, thanks. Ndiphilile enkosi. Ndiphilile enkosi. Another option, ndiyaphila enkosi. Ndiyaphila enkosi. You can try them both. Alternatively, you can say, there's nothing to complain about, no problems. Akukho nto imbi. Akukho nto imbi. Try it. and then reciprocating and asking, and how are you? Unjani wena? Unjani wena? Your response, I'm also fine, thank you. Ndiphilile nam enkosi. Ndiphilile nam enkosi. Or ndiyaphila nam enkosi. Ndiyaphila nam enkosi. Try them both. Asking a group of people, how are you all? Ni njani? Ni njani? Try it. We are well, thanks. Siphilile enkosi. Siphilile enkosi. Or siyaphila enkosi. Siyaphila enkosi. You can try them both. And the last two here we have already done, so I'm not going to repeat them again. Some comments about the weather. It is just hot. Kushushu ka. Kushushu ka. And the sound is articulated by curling your tongue up towards your palate. Kushushu ka. Try it. It is just cold. Kuyabanda ka. Kuyabanda ka. It is just windy. Kunomoya ka. Kunomoya ka. Just too much rain. Kuyaneta ka. Kuyaneta ka. Practice the ka. Finally, it is nice and cool today. First of all, it is nice and cool. Kupholile kamnandi. Kupholile kamnandi. Just try those two words. Now add the word for today. Kupholile kamnandi namhlanje. Kupholile kamnandi namhlanje. And that concludes this video.